Jai Shri Gurudev. Good afternoon, my dear children. The last class we are discussed about principles of object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming, and we learned types of computers, limitations, advantages, and their differences. What are the differences? So you are all learnt. Okay, what is object oriented program and what are the features? So you are all learnt, and basic principles of object oriented programming. Okay, next lesson, that is introduction to Java. That is introduction to Java. Introduction, basic features of Java compiler and interpreter. Java interpreter as virtual machine. A Java interpreter as virtual machine. Java libraries in JDK 1.3 and Java received words and types of Java programs and basic structure of in Java programming and output statement in Java programming and the Java programming with BlueJ and features of BlueJ. Then how to start BlueJ and execution of Java program, then modification in Java program. So this is briefly what you going to learn in this chapter. Okay, then what is Java? Java is an object oriented programming language. Java is an object oriented programming language. It is also one of the programming language. So developed primarily by James Gosling. Who developed this? Java program developed by James Gosling and his colleagues at Sun Microsystems. He studied in the college is Sun Microsystems. The language was initially called awk. This language initially called by awk. Why this called as awk means this named after the awk trees outside Gosling office. Who is this? Who developed this Java program? By James Gosling. Who developed this? James Gosling. So why this name of oak comes means his office. James Gosling works in one office. In front of his outside oak trees is there. So he given the name for this software as oak. Okay. This name given by James Gosling. Okay. So Java is also one of the programming language. It is also one of the programming language like other programming languages. Like that, what are the examples? Basic, C++, Python. Already we discussed in the last classes. What are the programming languages? So Java is also one of the programming languages. So Java is very simple and widely used language. Java is very simple and widely used language. We can learn Java beginning only. Computer can understand only machine language, but we are human beings. We can't able to understand the machine language easily. So so this will be helpful. These languages can understood very easily. Java is also one of the programming language like other programming languages. So it is very simple and widely used language. We can learn from beginning only. Do you know your Android phones? You are using the Android phones. That apps are made in Java only. Okay, so that apps in your Android mobiles, you are all using the so many apps applications. So that all applications also made by Java program. Made by Java program. First of all, I will give you one better example. You are human being, right? You are all human being. You want to share your feelings, right? You want to share your feelings to someone. You need particular language, right? No. So you want to tell to your friend to something your feelings. You want to share. Okay, your feelings like that you can't able to tell directly. Okay, so if you want to share some information to someone, so you can't able to share directly to the computer because it could not understand our language. So what are the things you going to tell to your friend? Like that to computer you can't able to share your feelings. Okay, so it not understood our language. So if you want to tell anything, it should understood only programming language. Okay, so now you will get that point. So computer can only understand programming languages. So if we tell to by our language, it couldn't understand. Okay, so in 1991 the Sun Microsystem is Broomfield, Canada, USA. He was born in Broomfield, Colorado, USA. Developed a complete language named Java. Okay, he was developed the Java as a part of research work to develop a software for consumer electronics. You know consumer electronics? So he was worked in research. Okay, he developed the software. It was in consumer electronics. It was developed as a full-fledged programming language. It was developed as a full-fledged programming language in which one you can accomplish the same, accomplish means achieve the same sort of the tasks and solve similar programs in other programming languages such as I told you basic, C++, etc. The platform's independence Java is one of the most significant advantages that Java has over other languages. So it is very easy compared to other programming languages. So it has the capability of moving easily from one computer system to another. So we can share easily from one computer to another computer. So Java being a object oriented programming language has adopted many features. It adopted many features of C++. Originally, Java was designed to execute applets. Applet means interactive features. It executes the interactive features, the programs executed by using the web browsers. Web browsers you already know very well, Google Chrome, like that web browsers. But gradually the language gained wide acceptance as a programming language, replacing C or C++. Okay, dear children, I hope you are all understand today's class about Java Okay, so it is also a one of the programming language like other programming languages. Okay, it is very simple and widely used language. Okay, let me discuss in next class. Have a nice day. Bye.